Today I'm going to show you all a healthy breakfast recipe. It's a dosa which is made with some sprouts and a millet. Take a quarter cup of horsegram, brown chickpeas and some red cowpeas. Soak it in water for about 12 hours and after 12 hours discard the water, rinse it once, put it in a bowl and cover it well and leave it in a warm dark place for about 24 to 48 hours. That's till you see all these sprouted up well. Now take 1 cup of millet, any millet of your choice. I'm using Foxtail Millet here. Just rinse it once and soak it in water for at least about 8 to 10 hours. So that's when it will be easy to grind it. So when you're grinding the sprouts, also add a small piece of ginger and few green chilies. You'll need approximately 1 to 1.5 cups of water when you're grinding all these together. Now this batter should be a bit fine, not too thick or too thin, so adjust the consistency accordingly. Just before you start making the dosas, add a little bit of salt to the batter and mix it well. This is how the consistency should be, not too thick or not too thin. Now it's time to make the dosas. If you want the dosa really crispy, then add oil generously. I'm using very little oil here. And also cook the dosas on both the sides for about a minute or two. That's when the raw smell of the sprouts goes and you get crispy, delicious dosas. You can have this with any chutney of your choice, but coconut chutney and tomato chutney goes well with this. So do try this recipe and enjoy.